I welcome all the students of third year IT for the video lecture of Theory of Computation. Myself, Sejal Rathi from IT department. In this video, we will go through the concept of state transition diagram and transition table for finite automata. A state transition diagram is also called as a state machine diagram. So state transition diagram and state machine diagram is the same one. So it is a graphical representation of finite state machine. So it is a graphical representation of finite state machine. So it consists the states, transitions, events, and the action. So states, we are representing the states as a circle. As a circle. So the transition represents the arrow between the states. So these two are the states. So this is an arrow. So this is a transition happening from this first state to another state. That's a second state. So transition is represented as arrow between states, showing that the condition under the system moves from the one state to another. Next one is an event. So event means the action. Event means the action or the triggers, input that triggers the state transition. The fourth one is the actions. So the output that occur when a transition happens. So what is actions? What is action? It is the output that occur when transition happens. When the transition happens. The next one is a notation used in transition diagram. So, as you know that the state we are representing using the circle, Here, the S1 is a state. You can name as your own. Suppose you can take it as a Q1. You can take it as a M1. It is up to you what name of the state you want. So the next one is a transition. So this is a transition symbol. So it represents the transition from one state to another. So for the start state, for the showing the start state, we are using this transition symbol. We are using the transition symbol and writing as a start on the upside. So this is a start state. This is a start state. How we are showing this? We are showing like this. This is a start state. This is a start state. So, or you can show is at like, so in the circle, suppose the Q0 or S0 dash. This is also a start state. So next one is a final state. How we are representing the final state? We are representing with the double circle. With the double circle. So this is suppose Q2. Q2 is a final state or Sn. Here the n, the value can be as your own. How much state is there? This will be the value for this n. Or you can write it as a, suppose, S1 plus as a final state. Next one is, so here is the note that, please note that you can add whatever name you want for the state. Whatever name you want for the state. It can be a S0 or it can be a Q0 or it can be a F1 or it can be a F0. Whatever you want to name for that state, you can take as it is. So the strings and the language can be accepted by a finite automata when it reaches to the final state. The strings and languages can be accepted by the finite automata when it reaches to the final state. So there are two preferred notations for describing automata. So first one is transition diagram. First one is transition diagram, and second one is the transition table. The second one is the transition table. So in the transition diagram, a transition diagram or transition graph can be defined as the collection of. So what is a collection of now? So we already learn about the tuples. So same concept we are applying here. So the first one is finite set of states, that is Q, correct? Here we are taking as a K. Q, the finite set of symbols of input means summation, correct? Then a non-empty set of S of K, it is called as start state. Means what? Q0, correct? Q0, as we learn in the tuple, pi tuples. Then, now, the next one is, we have gone through the start state. Now, the final state. How we represent the final state? As a F, correct? So, F. And the transition function. Transition function means what? It is a delta, correct? It is a delta. So, in the transition diagram, this collection, it is a collection of 5 tuples. So the transition function k into a tends to the k, with the k as, means the state as, and a as a input from sigma star. For example, so now for example, here the example now. So here, how much states are there? 2 states. Which one? Q0 and Q1, correct? Now, here, what is the sigma? Means what is the input set? What is the input set? 0 and 1, correct? So, 0 and 1 is the input set. Then, now, what is the next one now? It is the initial state. So, initial state, what is the initial state here? It is a start, correct? So the initial state is Q0. So Q0 is start state or initial state, correct? So it is a start state. Now, what is the final state here? How we are representing the final state? Like a double circle. So Q1 is a final state. And the transition mapping means with the delta. It is a transition mapping. We will see further. So it is a state transition diagram. Now the transition table. Transition table. How we are writing the transition table here? So here we are writing the states. Here we are writing the states. How much states here in this diagram? How much states are there? Q0 and Q1, correct? So we are writing the states here. Now this is the input alphabet. What is input alphabet here? 0 and 1. So we are writing 0 and 1. That's the input alphabet here. So now here Q0 is indicates the starting state. Q0 is indicating the starting state. So how we are representing here in the transition table? We are writing the transition. That's an arrow at the Q0, and we are star means it is a final state. It is a final state. We are showing that Q1 is a final state in the transition table. So now Q0 with the input of 0 from the Q0. So Q0 input with the 0, where the next state will be? It the Q0, correct? So we are writing the Q0 here. Now in Q0 with the one input, what is the next state? Q0 with the, so here Q0 with the one input. What is the next state? It's a Q1, correct? So it is a Q1. So it is a Q1. We are writing the Q1 here. Now with the Q1 means the final one. So Q1, take it here. So Q1 with the 0 input. What is the next state again? Again Q1. It is going to the Q1. So we are writing Q1 here. And Q1 with the one input. Q1 with the one input. Where it's going? It's going to the Q0. So we are writing here Q0. So the rows of the table corresponds to the states, that is states I means Qi belongs to the Q, that's the states in the transition table. So in the transition table, the columns of the table corresponds to the every alphabet or the inputs, that is AI means the alphabet belongs to the sigma. So starting states is marked as, how we are marking the starting state? With the arrow, and final state is marked as star. Now the types of finite automata we are going in the next video. Thank you.